Hey guys, it's Alyssa with So Fancy. How are you today? Happy Tuesday. Buffalo plaid. I'm going crazy with these embroidery hoop ornaments. I'm loving them. They're so much fun, so cute. And we had a new bundle come out, a mini bundle. It's got 4 designs, really cute snowflake animals. There's a penguin, a bear, a snowman, which isn't really an animal, but we'll let them pass for one, and a cardinal. And they've got little snowflakes in them. I already cut and weeded because very intricate, little small ones, but so cute. And if you can get one of these snowflakes out in one piece, you can totally use that in your ornament. So, hey Mary, Embroidery Hoops, I've seen them lately where they've painted them black, which gives them a whole new look. I didn't have any black paint handy close by or time, but I'm going to try that too, because I think painting these black with buffalo plaid, amazing look. But it's so simple with just white HTV. So easy. And it gives them a really, really great look. I have all these little pieces from inside these flowers. Here's the bear. Isn't he adorable? The little flower right in his hair, in his ear. But I have all these little pieces. My poor dog was sitting down at my feet while I was weeding, and I have a tendency to weed and just throw it on the floor. And he's a little covered right now, but that's okay. So, and we're going to use my new mini, which I'm loving this thing. If you guys haven't gotten one, check it out. You think like, oh, I don't need one. I have the heat press. It's kind of fun to have this little thing where I don't have to turn this on. And usually if you guys see me here, it gets kind of warm because the heat press is so hot. And when you're doing just little pieces, this is your friend. I can't come too far because I got it plugged in over there with my glue gun, because these embroidery hoop ornaments, and I'm going to show you the Ketelese, which we love. This bundle, there's a coupon out there that's only good for a little bit longer on these. If you've been on the fence about getting it, this is an amazing bundle as well. But these, you can add all sorts of little, I kind of went crazy. Like Walmart's got these little snowflakes. They've got little bows that you could just tie on, but you could add a little snowflake to these. I was at Hobby Lobby. They had like 50% off all their Christmas stuff beforehand, which surprised me. But so I picked up some picks, which you can pull these apart. Like I pulled the leaves off because I find on these little ornaments it's easier to piece them together. So I pulled the leaves off of these, and then I bought some berries, which I've been just popping the berries off and sticking them on. I bought this cute twine. It's like 3 strands. It's got little snowflakes and beads, which I thought would be cute to tie on the end of this. But to show you just how easy these are to do, and this mini bundle, again, it just came out by our friend at Wispy Willow Designs. Hannah did an amazing job. These are so cute. Her files, they all, with the little, here's a penguin, have like snowflakes and little flowers in them. The snowman you did not see yet. And he's got a little hat on. So cute. I love snowmen. Like, I would have everything snowmen in my house. I actually have a snowman that I leave up year round because I like them so much. But if you ask my husband, not so much, but he knows that I like them. So I'm going to flip you down, and I'm going to let you see how easy these come together. Again, this bundle just came out, $7.99. Excuse the mess. Like I said, I've been going crazy with these buffalo plaids. So I just cut squares out of fabric that I bought. I think I got it at Joann's. I'm going to preheat all of this. I have my mini set to 2. I think there's only the 3 settings on it. I'm still pretty new with this. But And don't worry about me pressing on this. It's an old door. It's okay. It can stand the heat. But if you don't have an old door as your tabletop, you might want to put the pad down. I believe that these come with a pad. And we're just going to set this in the center enough so that, make sure you don't have any little pieces in there like I do. When you put your band down, you have enough room to actually put it through your hoop. Because when you do the hoops, your small one goes in first, goes on the back, and then you'll put this guide one on top of it. So we have room to move it around. So I'm going to try to just center these all on my squares as much as possible. I'm going to bring him down a little bit. And I think you guys can see. Oh, I was trying to see if you can see, and then I put the penguin. But again, if you can get these little, look at this snowflake. I don't know if you guys can see this one. Look at how intricate that is. Look at how pretty it is. I love snow. I love Christmas time. Cannot believe Thanksgiving is this week. Is everybody ready for Black Friday? Is everybody ready for Thanksgiving? Is everybody's turkey out? That's a bigger question right now. I'm going to have to do some major thawing. I took mine out 2 days ago and set it in the fridge, and for some reason it's not thawing like I need it to. But that's okay. We'll make it work. Alright, so I have these pretty much so where I want them. Mini. And unlike your heat press, you do just move this around just a little bit. Flip it over. Make sure you've got it heated. And again with these, we're not washing these. I don't really think that people are going to put their ornaments through the wash. But that's all it takes. And it's on. So pretty. Love that one. The bear's turn. Keep going. Just circle, circle, circle. So this bundle is $7.99. I put the link up top. I also put a link up. I bought these embroidery hoops from Amazon. I think it came in a set of 12. And I put the link up for those. Amazon has this heat press mini for $7.99 right now. Or $7.99. That would be nice. $49.99. So the link is up there for that as well. The Easyweed is from our friends at Swing. And I put the link to the bundle up there as well. And while you're checking out this bundle, you should check out the rest of Hannah's designs. I made a t-shirt with one of them for my friend's daughter for her birthday. And they're just so cute. A lot of them have this little intricate detail. They have the little flowers in them. But wicked cute designs. Not that all of our designers aren't, because we have so many, it's hard to choose. But this one, the cardinal, I'm torn. I like them all now that I've cut them and I've been looking at them. So the snowman, set him on. I've just unscrewed this. You want to unscrew it enough so that you can get around it. I'm going to bring him down because I cut his hat off. Oh, I kind of didn't. His hat is kind of, that's good to know. So his hat is arced, which actually works well in this. But that fits a little better. You tighten it up. Then I've seen different ways to do this. And I did one too where I cut around and then hot glued. I've seen where you cut really close and hot glue. I think it's a personal preference on how you want to finish. I've done both on these. I cut around. I didn't hot glue yet because I haven't gotten to that point. But I'm going to put these together and then we're going to add something to them. And you just pull them taut. So easy, so quick. Look at this, in like a span of maybe 6 minutes after weeding and cutting, you're going to have 4 really cute ornaments. You can give them out as stocking stuffers, gifts, tags on presents. I mean, everybody can use an ornament. I like the idea of putting them on tags for gifts. Just put them through. I can't really see comments because I have you guys flip down. And for once, it's not backwards. And the last one, here's the cardinal. The cardinal looks so great. Just in the white, I think it just really pops. And you also want to make sure that you get your closure on top, because if you put it sideways, then your ornament is going to be sideways. So I keep trying to get it as close to the top as I can. If you guys have made any of these, make sure that you're tagging us in your posts. We would love to see them and see how everybody's doing them, whether it's the same or different. We'd really like to see them. We're having a lot of fun with these right now. So I'm going to do this one. I did bring my scissors over. And I'm going to just trim around. I think you guys can see. Be careful not to cut your fingers. And, oh, I'm loving this one. Tighten it up. I think I want to do a little leaf. So I have these little leaves here. And you can just put those on there. I'm going to pull off some berries. These just come right off of these. Uh-oh. I'm going to get that so my dog doesn't eat it. 3 little berries. Got my glue gun here. I'm going to shut off my mini. What I'm going to do is I'm going to glue my leaves together. And I think you guys can see this in here. I know I'm hot because I can... If you were with us at ATS, I can't tell you how many times we had burns from the glue gun that had been sitting for so long. It was kind of funny. Well, not funny, but I now have a phobia about my glue gun. That I'm going to burn myself again. And put the berries in. So it's that easy to put these together. And then I'm going to put it, I think, right there. Boom, boom. So cute. And then you can just use whatever you want to hang it. I'm going to try this because I've been dying to. I don't know how well it's going to work. But let's try it, right? I don't think I need that much. And it's got these little stoppers on it, which is awesome. So everything won't fall off. I'm going to feed it through. Make sure I get all 3. Which I do. I don't. And my leaves just fell off. But I'll get those back on. The glue wasn't totally dry yet. Alright, so, isn't this fun? Alright, let's try this again. We're going to glue our berries on, and I'm going to hold them and wait. And it's a good thing that all of these little pieces just fell off, because I had it going the wrong way anyways from where I wanted it. So I'm going to see if I put it on the front and put it through. This little piece is the easiest. And then I need 3 little pieces. Here we go. I have 1. These go back on really easy, so it's okay if it falls off. 2. I think the snowflake just goes on through the center. I really like this. So I'm going to bring my 3 pieces up, and again, you guys can use twine, anything to make a hanger, really. And I'm going to tie it. I'm going to tie off this end like they did. Maybe. And I'll tie that off later. But look at how cute. And you can finish them any way that you want, really. You can add just even a simple jute rope, which I have some right here. Simple jute to it. The camera's all wonky. Just easy, quick little hangers. Even just plain ribbon. I made some bows here that you could just stick on. Look at how darling that is. And I never use the word darling, really. But look at how cute that is. If we just glued that on there for a little girl's gift. So cute. So, Wispy Willow Designs Snowflake bundle. Go check it out. Go over, check the link on up top. I love these. So cute. I gotta get a little mini tree and start hanging these all on. Excuse me. But go check it all out. Everything's up top. Time to get ornament making. You guys have a great day and we'll see you soon. Bye.